Mallacoota can't beat sky so wide. A koala dines where gum trees abide. Mother and Joey in their leafy suite above the earth where branches meet. Gentle creatures in the coastal breeze, their silent grace does easily please. Resting high in the eucalypt trees, life whispers soft in every leaf. Come behold this serene display, in Mallacoot's embrace they sway. A duo's dance in the treetop play, where koalas live the world fades away. Stars above light the night in Mallacoota, pure delight. Koalas rest in dreams so deep, in the forest's arms they safely sleep. Morning comes with a gentle glow, the eucalypt leaves glisten below. A new day stirs the sleepy pair in their treetop home without a care. Nature's chorus begins to sing as birds take flight on morning wing. Koalas stir from slumbers laced, in Mallacoota find their peace. Somebody cave. Leaves rustled with the breeze, a symphony among the trees. In every branch a story told of Mallacoota, tranquil and bold. Sunset paints the sky anew, crimson streaks on a backdrop blue. Koalas watch as day departs in forest rhythms and nature's arts. As twilight falls and stars reappear, Mallacoota whispers to those who hear. In the calm of night, koalas dream where gum trees stand and moonbeams gleam. Morning comes with a golden hue, eucalypt leaves shine with dew. A new day stirs the sleepy pair in their treetop world free of care. Stars return to paint the night above Mallacoota, gentle light. Koalas rest in dreams so vast, in the foster rhythm held fast. As twilight deepens, the stars take the stage. Mallacoota story echoes from page to page. In the calm of night, koalas find their tune where gum trees sway beneath the silver moon.